Hi everybody, this is Dan from Tiny Home Builders. I'm just doing a real quick tour of the tiny living house. We got it finished up the other day, and we're mostly finished. There's still a few little odds and ends, like for instance a ladder. Right now there's no way to get up on the loft, but and then also we don't have the walls sealed or stained. But I figured I'd leave that open in the event that someone purchases this house. They have an option to do however, paint it however they want or stain it however they want. So when we come in, you've got this the large living area. I expect a couch would probably go over here, and then I've got a space for the cable and outlets on the wall if you wanted to mount a TV. If you didn't want to mount a TV, you could always just hang a picture over that. And then got a nice bronze ceiling fan and the loft right there. The ladder will likely go on the right hand side, and then you could probably just climb up there since the roof, the ceiling is so high there. But it will you'll be able to move it over to the middle if you wanted to give you a little bit extra height to climb up. And so on the right hand side we've got a countertop with a little bit of cabinets. There's a space for a refrigerator, a smaller fridge that goes under there. If you didn't want a fridge for some reason, you could put a stool under there and use it as a little countertop to sit at or a desk, but I expect people would want a refrigerator. Then on the left hand side we've got the sink and a little cutting board. We made the cutting board out of the insert that was cut out for the sink, which the nice thing about that is that that it's got little stoppers and you can put it on top of the sink, and so when you're not using the sink you get a little bit extra counter space to work with. We've got the cabinets down there, and then back on the right hand side we've got a closet. Closet's got a nice little custom door that my dad made, really nice quality. And then if I open up, there'll be a little shelf. You can see the space for the shelf up there, and there'll be a clothes rack. We've got a clothes bar where you hang your clothes. Still need to put that in, but that's we're just trying to find some wood things that hold the clothes hanger. And then down at the bottom I left that open. I figured depending on the type of clothing, some person may want all that space for clothing, or most of that space, and then you could put shoes at the bottom if you had dresses or something. But more than likely, what I would do is put some kind of storage bins down there to give you extra storage, since my clothes wouldn't hang down that far. Close that. And we've got a bathroom in here. You can see the toilet and a fan light combo. And then on this side we've got a shower. And here's the loft. 7 feet deep, so it's plenty deep for anybody sleeping. And then as I've demonstrated in other videos, when I sit up in the center, my head doesn't hit the ceiling, so it's definitely plenty high. And then also the fact that a large portion of the loft is covered by this higher ceiling. It's really easy to get up and down out of, and also to sit up and get ready for the ladder. You're not getting on the ladder in a very tight, cramped space. And then if you sleep with your head this way, the nice thing is you get a nice view of the outside. So it's really nice up here. All right, just one final shot coming out of the bathroom. Give you a different perspective on the house. The front door needs another coat of paint on the back side, so that's not quite finished either. But you can see how large this living area room is. It's just very open, and there's plenty of room. There'd be plenty of room for a couch, a smaller seating area, a couple tables. So I think you can make a lot of really good use of the space. All right, thanks again for watching. Once again, this is Dan Luche from Tiny Home Builders. You guys have a great day. Thanks.